Hey everybody, it's Flatbread Friday. I had some bacon left over from the bacon chicken pasta dish that I made recently, and I was trying to think of what kind of a flatbread to make this week, and I remembered that my favorite flatbread of all time is scallop and bacon. So I went out and got some scallops, and now we're gonna do it, and it's gonna be yummy at the end. First thing we're gonna do is cut up our bacon into little pieces. These particular scallops that I got are sea scallops, but they're not huge, and someone has removed the tough muscle from them already. That's the way they came. And we're gonna cut them in half. And when we're done with this, we are going to build our flatbread. It's going to be good. Our scallops are the right size, and we're going to continue on. We have our flatbread crust laid out on a sheet lined with parchment, and we're preheating the oven to 425, which is the recommended temperature for this particular flatbread. And the first thing that's going on is some sauce. I think that might be too much, but we can scrape some off after we spread it out if we need to. We're going all the way out to the edge. We're going to keep going until it's well distributed. Our sauce is all spread out nice and evenly. Turns out it was a good amount. The next thing we're going to do is dry off our scallops. And we're going to season them up with some salt and pepper. Toss them up so they're evenly seasoned. And now we're going to assemble our flatbread. To keep our scallops from drying out, I'm going to put them underneath the cheese. So we're going to distribute them evenly all around. Too close. Next thing that's going on is some shredded mozzarella. I used to work in a restaurant that was famous for their pizzas, and I used to ask the pizza cook to make this pizza for me. And I'd be sitting at the bar on my break, eating it, and the customers would say, "Oh, what kind of a pizza is that? Can I have one?" And I'd say, "No, it's only for me." I think that's a good amount. Now comes our bacon pieces. Scatter those all over the place. On the crust, not on the pan. Our bacon is on, nice and evenly distributed. And we have one more step, and then we're going in the oven. I'm going to finish this off with a little finely shredded cheddar, just to give it a little sharpness. And we all know that cheddar goes really well with bacon. Plus it'll give it a little color. And help protect any of those scallops that aren't covered with mozzarella, like that one. And that will be enough. Here's our scallop and bacon flatbread ready to go in the oven, and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out, and we'll taste it, and we're gonna love it. Our scallop and bacon flatbread is out of the oven, and looking yummy, smelling yummy, And now we're gonna slice it and serve it. We got a couple slices on a plate here, looking yummy. Whoop, scallop falling off. And now we're gonna finish it up with a little drizzle of my hot honey. It's gonna give it a little sweetness, a little heat, a little yumminess. And there we have it, our scallop and bacon pizza, flatbread, topped with hot honey. And now we're gonna take us a bite and see how it came out. I can't wait because it's been a while. Last minute thought, I'm gonna add a little green to it too. A little bit of chives. That helps. Thank you for joining me while I made my very favorite of all time flatbread. And here it is, scallop and bacon and drizzled with hot honey. And now we're going to give it a try. It came out so yummy, and the hot honey added a little punch to it, and I like it. So I'll be doing that again the next time I make this kind of flatbread, and we'll see you again soon.